guys? Austin B with ADHD Builds. So today we were working on LIL Frankenstein, and today's going to be the first video of ADHD Builds. My video recording skills are not the best. Also, still trying to get used to talking to the camera and not have anyone behind it and film myself. So the first portion of this video goes just a little slow. In the middle kind of catches up. Like I said, as I get going and get more used to video filming and editing and all that kind of stuff, we'll get going. We'll do a little bit better. I'm working on getting a iMac Pro laptop and then getting a GoPro so I can get some different angles and some little different footage. And so hope you guys enjoy this first video. So I ended up picking up a bunch of stuff from a guy for $30, and this was one of them. There was a mini bike and a little electric scooter and a bunch of random carburetors and whatnot, but this engine is not running as of right now. He said it was running, but the carburetor's gone, and I ended up having a bunch of other parts, so I'm gonna tear it down and see what I can do with it. Okay, pretty easy stuff. Engine's out. The only thing that I had a little bit difficulty on was they actually had the gas tank welded to the frame. Fun stuff. Alright, so I got this little Tecumseh going, and there was no muffler on it, so right now had this little tiny muffler, and I kind of went through and chopped it down and gonna go through and grind it. It was all beaten up. I got it to run, I got it to start, but it's not holding it. My carburetor sits right here, and the airflow, since there was no mufflers when I was starting it, it was just kind of blowing right into it. So I don't know if it's not holding because it was getting too much air or some nasty air or whatnot, but I'm gonna go ahead and slap the muffler on and tune up the carburetor a little more and see if we can't get this bad boy going again. Okay, so we've got carburetor installed, we've got the muffler all done and welded up, got it looking pretty clean, made a little tiny mount, kind of sticks out the back just a little bit. And this is actually the air filter that came from the carburetor. It's actually off of this little Henson, and so that's, since it didn't have the carburetor, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and use for now. It seems to be starting fine. Idle's a little high. I don't know if I have to change the needle pitch, up or down to see if it's, that's it. I've been messing with the idle actual core, and it's squeezing in and out. It's not doing anything, so let's go ahead and fire it up and see what it sounds like. She's alive! Okay, so we got the mini bike going, but this engine is just way too powerful for this little tiny bike. The carburetor is, like I said, it's from a different bike. It's not for this engine, and it does not like going slow. It likes the throttle good wide open. So today I'm going to try and build a frame off of this.
I've got this little frame just sitting over on the side, so I'm actually going to take off the back, take off the shock, and then build a rear end and engine mount for this thing. Mount that engine in this thing and see if that doesn't handle it just a little bit better. It's just a little bit bigger than this big boy.
Hey guys, I just wanted to say thank you for watching part 1 of my video. I just finished videotaping today for break and some other stuff, so go ahead and check that out in a couple days. Go ahead and I'm editing it right now, so hope to see you guys next week.